Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked about a daily midband test. That's exactly what we got last night. So early in Globex, goes down. Prince's low is the 3403 area. Daily midband at that point was sitting at around 11 or 12. It holds a support. They don't really take it back any farther than 30 to 32. So that's been the range all night, which is wide, but we were messing around with a little bit in the Asia session and before Asia, like on the first initial drop. We were short in the afternoon and we covered down there. But then you kind of wondered if we were going to get a secondary move, and there was no secondary move to get that could get past the roundy. So we got chewed up a little bit down there and we just put it away for the rest of the night. And then we wake up this morning and we see this, it's basically just been range trading all night. But the key point is, here we are at the daily mid-band and we have not converted it to resistance. So until that happens, you can have eight red sessions in a row, which is what we've had here. But really, as far as the overall market is concerned, we're only getting to the point now where we're going to make some longer term decisions about whether we're buy dips or sell rallies. Hourly chart. You can see the pre-Fed price down there at the roundy. You can see the lows from last night. And they just, they chopped it and then they've just been steady walking it. Now, what do the bears need? They need a lower high and a lower low. Giving up the hourly midband is not a good look for them. So they're going to have to get that back pretty early in on the day. So you got hourly midband at 21.75, volume weighted average price 17.83, daily midbands coming in at 34.12. Now you got a bunch of stuff way up top. The 9 days at 34.64. You see the weekly pivot there at 34.79. So you basically, since the initial expansion to the downside on Monday, you saw them try to get it back here and here, and that's all led to some lower lows. So what do the bears need to do? They need to keep that pattern going. Lower highs and lower lows, and try to convert this 20-day. So what's my number one question that I'm going to try to have the tape answer for me by the end of the day? What side of the 20-day simple moving average, the daily middle Bollinger Band, what side of that do we close on? If the bears can start to close below there and seal it off, then that is your ticket to deeper prices. If not, if we fight over it, if we can't get through the roundy, if they turn 3,400 to say 3,420 or 3,425 into a big chop zone, then you're going to get choppy action today and potential choppy action tomorrow, so be aware of that. Yesterday was a nice trading day. Monday was a nice trading day. Tuesday was kind of choppy. Makes me wonder what we're going to get today. We'll take it as it comes. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.